Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating with bronze stainless steel appliances. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your kitchen using various components such as cabinet panels, door handles, control panels, oven racks, cooktop grates, sink basins, faucets, range hood, drawer slides, hinges, trim and edging, exterior panels, fan blades, ice maker components, interior shelves, condenser coils, screws and fasteners, exhaust vents, temperature probes, and drip trays. Let's start with the cabinet panels. You can give your kitchen a sleek, modern look by replacing or refinishing these panels in bronze stainless steel. Consider matching them with the exterior panels for a cohesive appearance. Next, door handles and control panels. Swap out your existing handles and control panels with stainless steel ones to create a unified and contemporary style. Now, the range hood. Installing a stainless steel range hood can be a focal point in your kitchen. Don't forget to add stainless steel trim and edging for a finished look around the hood. For your cooktop, consider stainless steel cooktop grates for durability and a polished appearance. Inside your oven, stainless steel oven racks not only look great but also last longer. Moving on to the sink area. Stainless steel sink basins are not only easy to clean but also resistant to stains. Match them with sleek faucets for a coordinated look. Let's not forget the inside of your appliances. Upgrade your interior shelves to stainless steel for added strength and hygiene. Stainless steel drawer slides ensure smooth operation. In your refrigerator, stainless steel fan blades and ice maker components contribute to efficient cooling and longevity. For maintenance, keep an eye on the condenser coils and use stainless steel screws and fasteners for any repairs to maintain the appliance's integrity. Finally, ensure your appliances are working optimally with clean exhaust vents and accurate temperature probes. By incorporating these bronze stainless steel components, you can elevate your kitchen's interior design. Whether you're aiming for a modern, industrial, or timeless look, bronze stainless steel appliances can transform your space into a stylish culinary haven.